How to log in on Yahoo Mail account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Yahoo Mail app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this application. Then over here on the home page, you want to tap on Sign In with Yahoo. Now here the first step is to enter either your username, email or mobile. Once you have entered that, tap on the next option. In case you have forgotten your username, tap on the forgotten username option to retrieve your username. Now on the next page, enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgotten password option to reset your password. After you have entered your details, tap on the next button. And now, as you can see, you have very easily signed into your Yahoo Mail account online. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.